It is a sunny morning. Emma, Oliver, and Thomas walk to school.
Come on, Dad. We are late. I want to run across the street.
Stop, Emma! Do not move! That is very dangerous!
Sorry, Dad. I did not see the car.
Emma, listen to me. The street is not a playground. Cars move very fast.
Cars are scary. They are so big and loud.
Yes, Oliver. That is why we must be very careful. Today, I will teach you the rules. Thomas takes Emma and Oliver to the edge of the sidewalk. He teaches them rule number 1. Rule number 1. Always stop at the edge. Do not step on the road yet.
Stop at the edge. Okay, Dad. I can do that. I am stopping. Look, Dad, I am not moving. I am like a statue.
Very good! Rule number 2. Look to the left, then look to the right, then look left again.
Left. Right. I understand. We check for cars 3 times. Why do we look left 2 times, Dad? That is not fair to the right side.
Ha ha! Good question, Oliver. Cars come from the left side first, so we check left again to be safe. Rule number 3. When you cross, walk. Do not run. Walk slowly and carefully.
But Dad, if I run, I cross faster. Is that not safer?
No, Emma. If you run, you can fall down. Or you cannot stop if a car comes. Walk is safer.
I will walk like a penguin. Penguins walk very slowly.
Thomas holds their hands. They practice crossing the street together. Okay, step 1, stop. Step 2, look left, right, left. Step 3, walk together. Ready?
Ready. I am looking left, right, left. No cars. Let us walk. I see no cars. Let us go. I am walking, not running.
Excellent! You both did it perfectly! I am very proud of you.
Hey, are you watching? Do you like this video? Please press the like button and write a comment. Tell us, what video do you want next?
They walk a little more. They see a traffic light at the big crossing. This is a traffic light. The red light means stop. The green light means go.
Red means stop, like a tomato. Tomatoes do not move. Oliver, that is so silly. But yes, red means stop.
Look, the light is changing. It is green now. We can cross. But still look both ways. They arrive near the school. There is one more street to cross.
Okay, Oliver, hold my hand. Rule 1, we stop at the edge. I am stopped. What is rule 2? Oh, I remember. Look left, right, left. Very good, Oliver. No cars. Rule 3, we walk, not run. Let us go.
Suddenly, they hear a car. A car is coming from the left side.
Oliver, stop. There is a car. Wait here. Let the car pass first. I see the car. It is stopping. The driver is very nice. Thank you. We can cross now. Walk, Oliver. Do not run.
That was amazing! Emma, you remembered all the rules! Oliver, you were so brave. I am so proud. Question time. What is rule number 2? A, run across the street. B, look left, right, left. C, close your eyes. What do you think? The answer is B, look left, right, then left again.
Bye-bye, everyone. I can cross the street now. I am a big boy. Please subscribe to our channel. See you next time.